Farms is a family-run enterprise working throughout the south of England. The company runs 2 gilt breeding units and multiple commercial herds, which supply healthy and robust piglets to the pig industry. We would like to welcome you to one of Fawley Farms' outdoor sow herds in the wonderful countryside of Dorset. This unit is spread over 50 acres of grassland, which supports 500 sows. The well-drained soil here is ideally suited for this type of farming. A team of 3 stockmen look after the production of over 13,000 piglets a year. The unit is red tractor and RSPCA assured. Pigs are fed a compound diet on a daily basis, which is nutritionally designed to meet the needs of the sows. 2 diets are used during gestation and lactation periods. Individual feeders are used in the farrowing paddocks so that each sow has the correct daily amount for her time in the lactation feed curve. Long troughs are used during the gestation period when the dry sows are in communal groups. Plenty of straw is provided on a routine basis, creating a comfortable, dry and natural bed for the pigs. Large troughs and wallows are laid out in the paddocks during the summer months. This ensures the sows are able to create a natural barrier to prevent sunburn and overheating by wallowing in the muddy water. The unit is on a 3-week work rotation, consisting of serving, farrowing and weaning. During service week, the batch of sows are walked to the service tent where they are introduced to the boars. The procedure complete, the sows rest in the company of the boars before returning to their original paddock. At 4 weeks post-service, we scan each individual sow to ensure they're impregnated. The gestation period of the pig is 115 days, or for easy recollection, 3 months, 3 weeks and 3 days. A week prior to their farrowing date, the sows are walked to the individual paddocks. Here they will be able to make a nest in an ark assigned to them alone. This keeps the sow relaxed and calm. Piglets are born naturally and suckle on the sow for 4 weeks. The piglets are checked unobtrusively on a daily basis, and straw is provided as and when necessary. During weaning week, the piglets are gathered together and transported to a holding pen we call a lairage. The pigs are given vaccines to protect them and are split into male and female groups. The sows are then gathered from the farrowing paddocks and transported back to a holding area, where they are grouped according to age and size. This ensures the paddock hierarchy is established quickly. Vaccinations are given to the pigs to protect the sows and subsequent litters. Over recent years, the increase in vaccinations has enabled us to minimise our antibiotic usage within our company, something we are very proud of. Although cognizant of the extra cost of producing pigs in this way, we are passionate about the advantages of doing so for the pig and the stockmen who look after them.